Alright, you guys, welcome back to Monster Alert today. Oh man, I went to Target earlier, about like an hour ago. I finally found Marvel Series 2 guys, Venom. Look at how cool. Venom's my most favorite Spider-Man villain. That's cool. Venom, guys, Monster Jam. There's Venom's render. Marvel. There's a Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., Spider-Man Future Foundation, which is black and white, and then Thor, golden, red, and blue. I guess the classic Thor, I guess. Venom, guys. They should make a Carnage next. And my prediction is Carnage, Hulk, and Thanos in single packs, and Black Widow. That's my next prediction for the monster trucks that they're going to make. So without further ado, guys, go ahead and open it. That one's hard to open. Ooh, so here it is, guys. Oh, this is... Let me put the light on it. Oh, guys. Look at how nice this Venom is. Look at that. The red and black pop so much on the truck. There's his spider on his chest. The veins of the symbiote, which is cool. The teeth on the side. The back. And the cool thing, it's the Avenger casting, which is cool. Black headlights, guys. Black bumper. Look at the teeth, though. I mean, I like Venom a lot. He's my favorite. And so, yeah, that's awesome, guys. We are Venom. Alright, so that's it, guys. That's all I bought today. Hopefully make a Black Suit Spider-Man as well. And an Iron Spider. Like, subscribe, comment, share more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.